Hi. I work at a facility, and I work among physicians, nurse practitioners, social workers, professional people that most of them have a master's degree or higher. And it's just until recently we have been asked to sign in and sign out like other people who are paid hourly. We are paid salary. We're asked not to put in like our lunchtime or anything like that. What kind of recourse do we have?
So, Kelly, you're a salaried employee and they're asking you to sign in and sign out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, Carol, we talked about this a little bit earlier, and one of the recourses you may have is employers are not allowed to dock salaried employees for a partial day absence. So if this is a situation that you experience, you might have some recourse there. Kirby, can you think of any other types of situations?
No, as a salaried employee, the employer can ask you to clock in and clock out. Sometimes for an employer it's not a great idea to do that, because if that exemption gets challenged, then that's a piece of evidence that suggests you weren't treating them as an exempt employee. So it can cut both ways, but they can ask you to do that. But what Meredith is pointing out is, even though you're a salaried employee, there's some things that an employer can do to break that exemption and you get paid overtime. And one of those is to dock you for partial day absences. So if you're a couple of hours late getting to work for some reason, they can't dock your time for that if they're going to call you a salaried employee. So
they can't change the rules on you.
You can't change the rules. You're either salaried or not.
You can't change it for whatever
That's
fits
right.
them best.